Thank you for tuning in to Magikarp Mafia. Hey guys, Toby from Magikarp Mafia. Today we got a Twilight Masquerade pack. So we are still in search of the Eevee from this pack. It is pretty cute and adorable with all the Eevees in the chair. And there's a theory that each Eevee is a different evolution later on. So we got Water Energy, Feebas, Vulpix, Froakie, Golly, Kilowattrel. We got a Brute Bonnet, Bellybolt, Corphish, and a Chandelure. So honestly, I like these ghost cards in this set. They're pretty cool. The artwork's nice on them. So thanks for watching. Always make sure you like, comment, follow, subscribe, all the above, whatever you want to do. And always remember to be kind and rewind.